Hello family, it's Jim Hawkins. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2026. I'm on location at Myrtle Beach. Did a little trip with my mom for Mother's Day. We're here for a few days and I thought it would be a good time to share a video. So I'm entitling this, Are You Still In It to Win It? Ash has been real visible, not to everyone, but to the primary leaders here in Victory with Ash. And the past maybe a week or two, he's been sharing information with the primary leaders, Chris, Julie, Red, and Susie, and also Mike Ellis has been involved in that. I think Megan Mitchell maybe. But are you still in it to win it? My answer is yes. There are a lot of things that we're still looking forward to what Ash has promised us as a company. Again, Victory with Ash is a little detour, the bridge that we're on now, leading to the new company. Ash is very, very excited. Again, he's not being very visible with all the things that he shared in the past. Again, we've lost a lot of valuable information and ideas to perhaps other companies from what Ash has shared with us in the past. So again, this is keeping everything with a lid on it, so to speak, to keep things quiet, so that when our ideas and our vision, or his vision comes out, that all these things that he's thought of in the past will not be manipulated or stolen or taken in a manner that will be used kind of as a competition maybe to Victory with Ash, or what the following business name will be. So please stay visible to the YouTubes and to the Facebooks and social medias for people passing information to what's coming next. Again, I've been on several vacations in the last couple of weeks. And again, here I am on a vacation again, so I'll let you see kind of what's behind me. Again, we're at Myrtle Beach, and it's a very pretty day. It's a little warm, it's probably close to 80 degrees, but it's nice and my mom's enjoying it. And, I'm trying to live the life. My wife is actually at home. I miss her, and I know I certainly would like to have her here as well, but I had the time off and decided to take my mom out for a little Mother's Day trip. Again, living the life the best that I can. I hope with what Ash has in store for us in the future that I'll be able to do this more often. Maybe I can make more videos as to what you can see in behind me from different locations. Again, last month I was in Mexico, two different places in Mexico. I was in Roatan, and again, just trying to live the life. There's a big world outside, and y'all, hopefully, Ash's visions and all this ideas for the business will allow you to be able to do this. This is not an Ash thing for me. I wish it was, but at the moment it's on my dime, and it's from the things that I've made and done it with my life. So again, I hope you enjoy videos like this. I hope things are well for you, and I hope that you can enjoy this video. Again, I'll let you see one more time. I'll let you see the pool area, the beach area. So anyway, I wanted to just keep it short and simple, and I wanted to stay fresh in your minds. Again, pay attention to your social medias. Watch out for information coming from the big four, I would say. The big four being Red, Julie, Chris, and Susie. So again, I love you guys. Wish all the best for you. And hopefully we'll see you soon. Goodbye, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.